Every marathon runner knows the truth. Months of training, countless miles, early morning runs, and race day preparation all matter, but the shoes on your feet can still make a huge difference when the distance reaches 26.2 miles. A great marathon shoe isn't just about speed. It needs to provide comfort when fatigue starts building, stability when your form begins to break down, and enough energy return to help you maintain your pace during the toughest stages of the race. Over the last few years, marathon footwear has evolved dramatically. Brands are pushing technology further than ever before with advanced foams, carbon fiber plates, lighter materials, and innovative designs that help runners maximize efficiency without sacrificing comfort. The result is a new generation of marathon shoes capable of helping runners chase personal records while staying comfortable throughout one of the most demanding events in sports. But with so many options available in 2026, choosing the right marathon shoe can feel overwhelming. Some models prioritize pure speed, others focus on stability and comfort, while a few successfully combine both. That's why we've created today's countdown. We've compared performance, comfort, race day efficiency, cushioning, innovation, and overall value to bring you the top 9 best marathon running shoes in 2026. Let's dive in with Number 9. Puma Deviate Nitro Elite 3. Starting our countdown at number 9 is a shoe that has quietly become one of the strongest marathon racing options available today, the Puma Deviate Nitro Elite 3. While some brands dominate headlines, Puma has spent the last few years steadily improving its performance lineup, and the Deviate Nitro Elite 3 proves just how far the company has come. Designed specifically for serious racing, this shoe combines lightweight construction, responsive cushioning, and impressive efficiency into a package that performs well across the entire marathon distance. One of the first things runners notice is how balanced the shoe feels. Many racing shoes focus entirely on speed and become uncomfortable over longer distances, but the Deviate Nitro Elite 3 manages to provide excellent responsiveness while maintaining enough cushioning to keep runners comfortable deep into a marathon. The advanced Nitro foam delivers a lively sensation underfoot, helping every stride feel energetic and efficient without becoming overly aggressive. Combined with the carbon fiber plate integrated into the midsole, the shoe creates smooth forward momentum that encourages runners to maintain their pace even as fatigue begins to appear. Another major advantage is weight. The shoe feels incredibly light, allowing runners to move freely without carrying unnecessary bulk over 26.2 miles. The engineered upper further contributes to that experience by offering excellent breathability and a secure race-ready fit. During warm weather races, the ventilation becomes especially noticeable, helping runners remain comfortable throughout the event. Traction is another area where the shoe performs exceptionally well, providing confidence across different road conditions. The Puma Deviate Nitro Elite 3 earns the number 9 position because it delivers elite-level marathon performance while remaining surprisingly comfortable and approachable. For runners seeking a high-performance race day shoe that balances speed, comfort, and value, it remains one of the smartest marathon choices in 2026. Number 8. Hoka Rocket X3. Coming in at number 8 is a marathon shoe that perfectly represents Hoka's growing reputation in elite road racing, the Hoka Rocket X3. Over the past few years, Hoka has evolved from a brand known mainly for maximum cushioning into one of the biggest competitors in the world of marathon racing, and the Rocket X3 showcases exactly how far that journey has come. Built specifically for runners chasing faster marathon times, this shoe combines lightweight construction, a highly responsive PEBA-based foam, and a full-length carbon fiber plate to create a ride that feels smooth, efficient, and incredibly fast over long distances. One of the first things runners notice is how naturally the shoe encourages forward momentum. Instead of feeling overly aggressive or difficult to control, the Rocket X3 provides a balanced transition that allows runners to settle into their marathon pace with confidence. As the miles begin adding up, that smooth efficiency becomes one of the shoe's greatest advantages because it helps reduce unnecessary energy loss while maintaining a consistent rhythm from start to finish. Another major strength is the cushioning. Hoka has successfully created a platform that delivers excellent impact protection without sacrificing responsiveness, allowing runners to stay comfortable through all 26.2 miles while still enjoying the explosive sensation expected from a modern super shoe. The lightweight engineered mesh upper further improves performance by offering outstanding breathability and a secure lockdown that keeps the foot stable even during faster sections of the race. The outsole also provides dependable grip across dry and slightly wet road conditions, giving runners additional confidence when cornering or navigating crowded marathon courses. Another reason the Rocket X3 deserves its place in this countdown is versatility. For runners searching for a carbon-plated shoe that feels fast without becoming intimidating, the Rocket X3 stands as one of Hoka's strongest race day options in 2026. Number 7. New Balance FuelCell SuperComp Elite V5. Every new generation of the SuperComp Elite has become more refined, and the fifth version represents the brand's most complete marathon racer yet. Designed specifically for runners chasing faster finishing times, this shoe combines lightweight construction, highly responsive fuel cell cushioning, and a full-length carbon fiber plate to create a ride that feels energetic from the starting line all the way to the finish. One of the first things runners notice is how smooth the shoe feels during longer efforts. Rather than delivering an overly aggressive sensation, the FuelCell SuperComp Elite V5 creates a balanced combination of propulsion and comfort that helps runners maintain an efficient stride throughout the marathon. That smooth ride becomes especially valuable during the final miles when fatigue begins affecting running form. The advanced fuel cell foam absorbs repeated impact while returning energy with every step, helping reduce the amount of effort required to maintain pace. Another impressive feature is the lightweight engineered upper. It wraps comfortably around the foot while providing excellent breathability and a secure race day fit, allowing runners to focus entirely on performance instead of constantly adjusting their shoes. The outsole also provides dependable grip on dry and slightly wet roads, adding confidence when navigating turns or changing pace. Another reason this shoe deserves a place in our countdown is versatility. Although built for marathon racing, it performs equally well during half marathons, tempo workouts, and important training sessions before race day. That flexibility makes it an excellent investment for runners who want one premium shoe capable of handling multiple high-performance situations. Ultimately, the New Balance FuelCell SuperComp Elite V5 earns the number 7 position because it successfully combines responsive cushioning, lightweight speed, premium comfort, and outstanding long-distance efficiency into one complete marathon package. For runners looking for a dependable carbon-plated racer that feels smooth from the first mile to the 26th, it remains one of the strongest options available in 2026. Number 6. Saucony Endorphin Pro 5. For several years, the Endorphin Pro series has built a reputation for delivering elite-level speed while remaining surprisingly comfortable over long distances, and the 5th generation continues pushing that formula even further. Designed for runners chasing personal bests, Boston Marathon qualifiers, and podium finishes, the Endorphin Pro 5 combines Saucony's advanced racing foam with a full-length carbon fiber plate to create an incredibly efficient running experience. One of the shoe's greatest strengths is its ability to help runners maintain momentum throughout an entire marathon. Every stride feels smooth, controlled, and highly responsive as the energetic midsole returns impressive amounts of energy without becoming unstable. Rather than forcing runners into an unnatural stride, the shoe works with natural running mechanics, making it easier to maintain consistent pacing even as fatigue increases during the later stages of the race. The lightweight upper further enhances performance by providing outstanding breathability and a secure fit that eliminates unnecessary movement inside the shoe. This creates a locked-in feeling that allows runners to confidently attack corners, accelerate during key moments, and maintain rhythm across all 26.2 miles. Another reason the Endorphin Pro 5 earns such a high ranking is its versatility. While it excels on marathon race day, it also performs exceptionally well during half marathons, interval workouts, tempo runs, and race-specific training sessions. Many competitive runners appreciate having one shoe capable of handling nearly every important workout leading into a marathon. Durability has also improved, allowing the shoe to retain its responsive feel across multiple training cycles and races. The Saucony Endorphin Pro 5 earns the number 6 position because it successfully blends world-class speed, exceptional energy return, lightweight construction, premium comfort, and remarkable race day confidence into one outstanding super shoe. For runners aiming to maximize performance without sacrificing comfort over marathon distances, it continues to stand among the very best racing shoes of 2026. Number 5. Nike Vaporfly 4. Ever since the original Vaporfly introduced the world to the modern super shoe era, runners everywhere have been chasing the same combination of lightweight speed, incredible energy return, and race-winning efficiency. The Vaporfly 4 continues that legendary legacy by refining nearly every aspect of the shoe while maintaining the characteristics that have helped countless runners achieve personal bests and break marathon records around the world. From the very first step, the Vaporfly 4 feels built for one purpose: helping runners move faster over long distances. The advanced ZoomX foam provides an incredibly soft yet highly responsive ride that returns impressive amounts of energy with every stride, allowing runners to maintain marathon pace while reducing the amount of effort required over time. Combined with Nike's full-length carbon fiber flyplate, every transition feels smooth, quick, and efficient as the shoe naturally encourages forward momentum throughout the race. Another major advantage is its exceptionally lightweight construction. Every gram has been carefully considered, helping reduce fatigue during the later stages of the marathon when maintaining form becomes increasingly difficult. The engineered mesh upper further improves the experience by delivering outstanding breathability while securely locking the foot into place without creating unnecessary pressure. The Vaporfly 4 also excels in versatility, performing brilliantly not only during full marathons but also in half marathons, 10K races, tempo sessions, and important race pace workouts. Many elite and amateur runners alike appreciate having one shoe capable of delivering world-class performance across multiple race distances. Durability has also seen meaningful improvements, allowing runners to confidently complete several major races and key workouts before considering a replacement. Ultimately, the Nike Vaporfly 4 earns the number 5 position because it combines revolutionary cushioning, exceptional energy return, featherweight construction, and proven marathon success into one iconic racing shoe. Number 4. Asics Metaspeed Edge Tokyo. Developed with extensive research involving elite athletes, the Metaspeed Edge Tokyo is specifically engineered for runners who naturally increase their cadence as they accelerate. Rather than simply making another carbon-plated racer, Asics created a shoe designed to maximize running efficiency based on different racing styles. That thoughtful engineering has helped the Metaspeed series become one of the most respected names in marathon competition. The first thing runners notice is the incredibly smooth transition created by the combination of lightweight FF Turbo Plus cushioning and a strategically positioned carbon fiber plate. Every stride feels energetic while maintaining excellent control, allowing runners to sustain aggressive marathon pacing without feeling unstable. As fatigue begins building during the final miles, the shoe continues delivering consistent responsiveness that helps maintain rhythm all the way to the finish line. Another major advantage is its remarkably lightweight construction. The breathable engineered upper provides outstanding ventilation while wrapping securely around the foot to eliminate unnecessary movement during high-speed running. Combined with an efficient racing geometry, the shoe creates a sensation that encourages continuous forward momentum with every step. Grip is another impressive feature. Whether racing on dry city streets or slightly damp marathon courses, the outsole provides dependable traction that inspires confidence through corners and changing conditions. Beyond race day, the Metaspeed Edge Tokyo also performs exceptionally well during key interval workouts, marathon pace sessions, and tune-up races, making it an excellent investment for competitive runners preparing for major events. The ASICS Metaspeed Edge Tokyo earns the number 4 position because it successfully combines elite-level speed, lightweight comfort, advanced biomechanics, and exceptional race day efficiency into one outstanding marathon shoe. Number 3. Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4. Built using years of research, feedback from world-class athletes, and some of the most advanced running technology Adidas has ever developed, the Adios Pro 4 is designed with one goal in mind: helping runners cover 26.2 miles as efficiently as possible. Over the last several years, the Adios Pro series has been responsible for countless podium finishes, marathon victories, and personal best performances around the world, and the 4th generation continues that incredible legacy. The moment you begin running, it's easy to understand why so many elite athletes trust this shoe on race day. The incredibly lightweight Lightstrike Pro foam delivers outstanding cushioning while returning an impressive amount of energy with every stride, allowing runners to maintain speed with less effort throughout the marathon. Working together with Adidas EnergyRods technology, the shoe creates a smooth rolling sensation that naturally encourages forward momentum while helping reduce fatigue during the later stages of the race. Another major strength is stability. Despite being built for maximum speed, the Adios Pro 4 feels remarkably controlled through corners, long straightaways, and changing race conditions, giving runners the confidence to fully commit to their target pace. The ultra-light engineered upper provides excellent breathability while locking the foot securely in place without creating unnecessary pressure. Every detail has been carefully optimized to eliminate excess weight while maximizing comfort across the full marathon distance. The outsole also delivers exceptional grip on both dry and slightly damp road surfaces, ensuring consistent traction when every second matters. Another reason this shoe deserves such a high ranking is its versatility. Beyond marathon racing, it performs brilliantly during half marathons, fast tempo runs, interval workouts, and important race simulations. The Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4 earns the number 3 position because it successfully combines elite-level propulsion, lightweight construction, outstanding stability, exceptional energy return, and proven championship-winning performance into one remarkable marathon racing shoe. Number 2. Nike Alphafly 3. Since the Alphafly first appeared on the world's biggest marathon stages, it has become one of the most recognizable and successful racing shoes ever created. The third generation continues refining that revolutionary formula, delivering an even smoother, lighter, and more efficient experience that has made it a favorite among elite marathon runners and ambitious athletes around the globe. Designed specifically for maximum race day performance, the Alphafly 3 combines Nike's highly responsive ZoomX foam, dual 4-foot air zoom units, and a full-length carbon fiber flyplate into one incredibly advanced racing platform. The result is a shoe that feels explosive from the very first stride, while remaining remarkably comfortable deep into the later stages of a marathon. One of the biggest reasons runners continue choosing the Alphafly 3 is its extraordinary energy return. Every step seems to propel you forward, helping reduce fatigue while maintaining pace over all 26.2 miles. As your legs become tired, the shoe continues delivering a lively, efficient ride that encourages consistent rhythm when it matters most. Another major advantage is its outstanding cushioning. Despite being one of the fastest marathon shoes available, the Alphafly 3 provides exceptional impact protection that helps preserve leg freshness during long races. The lightweight Adimnet upper further improves the experience by wrapping securely around the foot while providing outstanding breathability, ensuring maximum comfort regardless of race conditions. The outsole also delivers dependable grip across dry and wet roads, allowing runners to confidently navigate corners, aid stations, and varying road surfaces without hesitation. Beyond marathon racing, the Alphafly 3 also excels during half marathons and important race-specific workouts, making it a valuable addition to any serious runner's rotation. The Nike Alphafly 3 earns the number 2 position because it perfectly combines revolutionary technology, world-class cushioning, explosive propulsion, lightweight construction, and proven marathon-winning performance into one extraordinary racing shoe. Number 1. Asics Metaspeed Sky Tokyo. Every element of this shoe has been engineered with one clear objective: helping runners achieve their fastest marathon performance possible. Built through years of biomechanical research and tested by elite marathon athletes competing on the world's biggest stages, the Metaspeed Sky Tokyo has established itself as one of the most complete super shoes ever produced. Unlike traditional racing shoes that simply focus on reducing weight, Asics carefully designed this model to maximize stride efficiency, allowing runners who naturally increase their stride length as they accelerate to maintain speed with less wasted energy. That specialized approach gives the Metaspeed Sky Tokyo a unique advantage, making every stride feel smoother, more powerful, and remarkably efficient from the opening mile to the final sprint. One of the shoe's most impressive features is its advanced FF Turbo Plus midsole. This premium racing foam delivers exceptional energy return while maintaining enough cushioning to protect the legs throughout the entire 26.2-mile distance. Instead of feeling unstable or overly soft, the platform creates a perfect balance between responsiveness and comfort, helping runners stay fresh during the demanding final stages of the race. Working together with the full-length carbon fiber plate, the midsole generates an effortless rolling sensation that naturally propels runners forward while reducing the amount of energy required to maintain marathon pace. This combination allows athletes to preserve efficiency even as fatigue begins affecting running form. The upper has also been meticulously engineered for race day performance. Lightweight technical mesh wraps securely around the foot while providing outstanding breathability, ensuring feet remain cool and comfortable throughout long-distance events. The precision fit minimizes unnecessary movement inside the shoe, giving runners greater confidence when accelerating, cornering, or navigating crowded marathon courses. Every gram of unnecessary weight has been eliminated, resulting in an incredibly lightweight racing shoe that almost disappears once the race begins.